This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tuna fillet. First, select premium tuna fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick, to achieve optimal results. It is crucial to thoroughly pat each fillet dry with paper towels. This step helps create a beautiful, crispy crust when cooked. If your fillets have any skin or a dark bloodline, carefully trim those away. Finally, allow your tuna to sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before you begin cooking. This promotes even cooking throughout the fish. Achieving a delicious flavor starts with simple seasoning, allowing the tuna's natural taste to be the star. Generously season both sides of your tuna fillets with good quality sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. For a subtle aromatic touch, you might add a light dusting of garlic powder, enhancing the overall profile. It is best to avoid acidic marinades, as these can actually begin to cook the fish prematurely, altering its delicate texture. Simple seasonings truly highlight the tuna's inherent deliciousness. For a perfect sear, begin by heating a heavy-bottomed skillet. A cast iron pan works exceptionally well, over medium-high heat until it is quite hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, ensuring it coats the pan evenly and begins to shimmer. Carefully place your seasoned tuna fillets into the very hot pan. Sear them for approximately 1 to 2 minutes on each side. This timing typically yields a beautiful rare to medium rare center, which is ideal for tuna. Tuna is generally most enjoyable when served rare to medium rare, preserving its delicate texture and rich flavor. A perfectly rare fillet will feel warm all the way through, yet retain a vibrant red color at its center. For precise doneness, use an instant-read thermometer, aiming for around 125 degrees Fahrenheit for a delicious medium rare. Once cooked, transfer the tuna from the pan and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial step redistributes the juices, ensuring a moist and tender result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.